Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. Video number 10. This is a record. I know you are so happy. But today, at the end, lights, LEDs. In this video I will show you my way to fit the car with LEDs, how many you want, using a very little amount of money. Very cheap price for LEDs and resistors. I made 2 or 3 videos on this, speaking about cars. I made lights and so on. I made it again because I think it's a sort of gift to you. The most expensive thing is the switch, but you have switch from the radio. Comment, like and subscribe as usual. Thank you for subscribing, and so support my channel. For you is nothing, for me is so much. Let's go to the work. We have some wires I keep from my 1/8 static Chinese cars. These wires are very thin, they are very good. Then I have the switch, and this is fantastic. Wires for the switch. Resistors. Look at the color, look carefully. This is the one you have to connect with double LEDs, plus to the LED, minus LED, plus to the next LED, then minus, plus and minus to the battery. And it works. Now, I have a little problem. The 3mm LEDs that I have in stock are quite thick. Why? I show you. The light is quite green. It looks he's thick. The car with this light is poor. I don't feel well. So I bought. But I'm not sure these are the right ones. So they are 100 and they say white. Okay, we test, and this is the moment of truth for these other LEDs. I hope not to have the same light. It's the same. They say white, but no, it's a little bit better. Yes, of course. Just a little, but this is significant. We can start the work. First of all, I connect resistors to one of the 2 LEDs. LEDs will be connected 2 by 2. And so I connect the resistor to the positive leg. That is the longer. And I cut also the resistor. It doesn't matter which side. It's better to hold the LED with something. Okay, like this. Then okay. Then you have to finish one. I do the other, then we go to the next step. Now we have to put LEDs into the car to make wiring. 2. This is minus, this is plus. Then on the other side, and positive vibrations. Now I connect these 2 legs, then here black wire and here red wire, from here to here, and from here way down to the center of the car to reach one of these plugs. Remember, positive, negative, positive, negative. I can bend it over, cut a little bit because it's too long. Maybe protect under, but water is important to keep clean the point of your These two are connected without wires. Now I need wires. When wires are very thin, the best way to clean them from the plastic is to burn it. Now I need a little bit of thermo shrinking. So then a little bit of this. On the other, no thermo shrinking, and later I will show you why. First the thin one, then the large one. Wonderful. And it's not finished, because now we put a very large one. I placed here this paper in order not to burn the body. This might work. Then thermo shrink over here and over here, here not. Then the front is done. Now rear. Okay, and this is the wire for the rear lights. Now I have to connect these two together. This has to stay there. And I need a very strong black tape. I don't have it. I will have it. Then this wire can pass here into. Then go up to this one. This one together, then another one to the car. So I think that now we have to work on the car to place the switch. So switch to the car. Comment, like and subscribe. You know that my way to put the faces into the RC cars is something elastic moving like the human body. Our body is a perfect machine, super complicated, but super flexible. were made in 70% of liquid. When they say water, yes, it's not really water, but yes, of course, it's water. And why not apply this super perfect technology to our RC cars? We can put this here, very easy. Velcro for this, out and in half a second. Receiver, you saw in my videos, I used to put the receiver into a neoprene tube, super protected, super elastic, super. And why not to use the same technology to put the switch into the car? Of course, we can do it. First, I think it's better to connect to the receiver, how they say in Scotland. Then, down on the frame. Then under the servo, steering servo, here, then here, stopped by the radio, wires down, you press the wires, they stay where you put them. And then this one at the end, you saw in my videos every time you see this one. And this is not nice to see, but this is very useful because I have always the energy source for my lights. And this stays here. This goes to the car to be connected with the LED circuit, and so we can do this and this wire, and we have a socket so we can have two pieces separately. This is a genius. You're welcome, my friends. Before connecting the wires to this one, I suggest you to have a test. Okay, in front, all four LEDs have made a good job. This is this. Also on the rear. Perfect, we can connect. Done. And now the last work. I want to speak to you about this. This is a special product. It's an adhesive tissue, waterproof, water resistant. You can cut pieces and glue not underwater but on wet surfaces. You can take it off and glue again. It's fantastic, super resistant, and this is what they use to repair sails. There are two kinds of this, waterproofed and not waterproofed. Waterproofed, I mean that water doesn't pass under. We use on racing sailboats, model sailboats, to cover the holes on the deck. This is fantastic, this super strong. I repair everything with this. And now I want to cut strips to cover all the wiring and to cover also the LEDs in order not to see light where I don't want. This product has no name. I buy this at the North Sail workshop with the excuse that we are a sailing racer with model. They sell this to us. I think you have to do a little research to find this. You can use also on dresses to repair. Super fantastic. Now I do this work, I don't show you, not to bore you, but I want to show you the final result. Okay, the last one I show you. Up to now I made all this. I like this very much for the front. Or to cover the LEDs, because once I used to do with black silicone, but it's not reversible. If something goes wrong, you have to work a lot, and it's not good looking because silicone is very hard to make smooth and so on. These are fantastic. The only thing is to understand where to start from, because I think that we can start from here. And this is the same thing about the human body. You see, it's not rigid, it's not precise, geometric, it's random, but it works very well. Then you press down. Doesn't matter if it's not precise. And this is also waterproof. Very easy, very fast, very light. It's very light. And now our body is fitted with LEDs. And they are so nice. Let's have a test. Ready? Time! What a wonderful thing! At Le Mans, when they are approaching two slow cars, and they make this, they make like this, fantastic. And the rear, 3, 2, 1, marvelous. And you see that there's no light. My system is perfect. This is fantastic. What say the radio? I have to charge. Okay, my friends, on this I can say you for today it is all. And so, my friends, thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and up to the next episode 11. Wait a minute. Don't forget this. Next episode. Ciao.